So let's start with Zoho DataPrep. So we'll just start with the Zoho DataPrep. So today we will be covering introduction to Zoho DataPrep. What are the key features of DataPrep? What are the benefits? Where we are using it and how to get started. Then we'll finish it up with a conclusion. So let's start. Introduction to Zoho DataPrep. So basically what is Zoho DataPrep? Zoho DataPrep is nothing but a cloud-based data preparation tool. It's a part of the Zoho suite and it helps clean, enrich, and transform data for analysis. So Zoho DataPrep is a tool that helps you clean and organize your data easily for better analysis and insights. This is nothing but whatever the Excel or Excel data we are using, any data, whatever the Excel data we are using, it will help you to clean, organize, and better analysis and better graphical representation also we can make it. So what are the key features? The key features are first data cleaning. It will clean the data, like it will remove the duplicates. It will handle the missing values. If any data is missing, that will show you up. These are the data it is missing. And it will show you the graphical representation of duplicate values, missing values, or how many valid data is there. So everything it is able to, we can see in that tool. Then next is the data transformation. Is the process of converting data from one format or structure into another to prepare it for analysis. Like we can clean the data, we can structure the data, we can summarize the data, create new field, filtering, and so on. Suppose we wanted to do something, we need to add. Suppose we are doing some calculation and total we need to do. So it will also add one column and it will give a field. It's a total you are supposed to do it. That data transformation, we can do it. Next is data enrichment. Data enrichment, it involves enhancing your existing data set with additional information to improve analysis. Like the data source, it can connect and it will give you the better analysis suggestions and it will give you the better values. Clean and transform data, enrich data, data matching, and data validation. So these kind of things also it is possible here. And the next one is visualization. We can, whatever the Excel data we will get, it can give you the graphical representation of your data inside. So these are the key features of Zoho DataPrep. So what are benefits of using Zoho DataPrep? It is very user-friendly interface, intuitive drag and drop functionality. Very easily we can do it because so many options are there. I'll take you through this and we'll very easily we can do it. Collaboration, share data sets and collaborate with team members. We have the source everywhere. We can collaborate with everyone. So in one page, everybody, like each and every member of a team, we will be in the same page. If you want to share with anyone, that also we can do. Next is integration. Seamlessly integrates with other Zoho application and other third-party tools also. That I will show you what are the details are there. It is very easily we can blend all the tools, third-party tools also we can use it. Accurate insights and better decision making. Data integration, blend data from multiple sources. Automated data transformation pipeline. Strong compliance and governance. So we can give us like a better, very accurate data for the analysis. So where we are using it, what are the use cases? The first one is business analytics. Business analyst preparing sales data for reporting. For sales data, normally we used to handle lots of like huge database we are handling. So it can easily handle or it can easily analyze. We can analyze through the Zoho DataPrep. Then marketing analysis, analyzing customer data for targeted campaigns. Financial reporting also, consolidating financial data from multiple sources. As financial is a very complicated part, so we can consolidate or we can combine all the data from multiple sources and also we can find out or we can get a final report. I can give you a live demo here. Let's get started with this. First, you have to log in through your credentials. It is Zoho DataPrep. You have to log in through whatever the Gmail ID only I have logged in. Next, access to Zoho DataPrep. So here it is 15 days free trial is there. I have only 5 days left. Here you can say this standard trial, 5 days left. If you upgrade it, here it is free for 15 days. It's yearly and monthly it is comes. If you go for monthly, the standard package is 3,000 per month. So this is the paid version, but it is the free option, 15 days we can use it. So this is the dashboard. Normally we can use this one. This is the dashboard looks like. Now, whatever we are creating the data sheet or something, that is called pipeline. Here we need to create the pipeline. These are the overview. See, you can see how many total pipeline is there. What is the scheduled pipeline? What is the workspace? Today job to total jobs today, successful job today, failed job today. So these are the things we can able to know. Like it's a if it is in a team, we are able to we all are in the same page. So it is very easy to monitor all the work. So we will start with the create pipeline. As I said, we have to first add the data. Whatever the data, like raw data we have to add it here. As I said, it is a multiple source from we can take the data. See, we can take the data from files, URL, FTP, Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, Dropbox. So many it is there, so many options we have. We can take the data from anywhere. So I will go by this files. So I don't have any raw data. So I'll take it from this sample. Try a sample. It is also here. So I'll just take it sample. See, it is here leads or items. I can go. Okay, fine. I'll go by with simple sample items. Then I'll just click on upload. See, it is uploaded. Then you have to run. See, this is the destination. This is the sample of whatever I have uploaded, and this is the destination. This is the overview of the destination. There are 9 columns. Rule count is 0. Data quality is this one. See, this is the preview of the data, whatever I have given. Then I will click on prepare data. See, now whatever the raw data I give, so this is the data prepared by the Zoho DataPrep. See here, it is the graphical representation where it is shows 96.85% valid data, 2.54 for invalid data. This one is missing data. So if I go and click on this, the left hand side here, we can see those data, whatever missing or something. Suppose this one is valid data, we don't want to see that. This is invalid data. So I'll just go and click on that. See, these are the data which are invalid. So which we can easily find out and easily verify what are the missing data or what are invalid data we can check. Here the same way it is the missing data. Missing data also we can see. So these are the missing data. So this is a really nice one to see all these things. And here one transform is there where we can check the duplicates, the combine, the pivot, then add formula, window functions, everything we can go by this. So this is the data. If you want to remove duplicates row wise or column wise, that also we can do. These are the transform options we can do. Even one more option is also there. Here you can ask Jia. See this option also there. We can ask the data, like whatever the data we have, we can ask Jia to help me out. What are the details we required as per our requirement? That also we can do. But practically, if we have any data, then only we'll be able to do it. But this duplicate and all, we can do it because I have checked it this one. So these are the facilities we can do. And if you are handling with so many data and all, it is a really very good tool that we can do. See, here it is there filter applied, row with invalid values, row with invalid or missing values. So these are the things also you can come to know. And you also can represent into graphical representation. If you want to this data, if you want to see, this is the one graph. If we want to change into something else, that also we can do. These options are, everything is here. As per our requirement, we can do it. So there are so many things we can do it. And after this, here it is the add destination, wherever we want to add our file or our data. So this is the options are, as I told you earlier, these are the options are there. We can upload in the destination. Suppose you are working somewhere or I am working somewhere. So we'll be in the same page and we can take it from that with that source and we can use that same data. Now we will go to the home page. So total pipeline also we can see the last modified everything you can make out here in the dashboard. So next we will conclude it. So this is the data cleaning cycle, how data is cleaning. Messy data in the Zoho app. Then next it will go for the data preparation mode. Then the data preparation it will give us a export clean data to Zoho app. What is the final product of that? So this is the process how it is a raw data can become a expert data. So we will conclude. Zoho DataPrep makes it easy to clean and prepare data, helping businesses get useful insights quickly. It improves teamwork and ensure accurate data for better decision making. So this is all about. Thank you.